Today I'll be replacing the rear glass on this iPhone 11. To begin with, I'll use this rear glass breaking pen to break up the glass for easier removal. Now I have more experience, I'd say you want to avoid doing this unless it's absolutely necessary and do it in minimal amounts because we don't want to cause any potential further impact damage to the iPhone, especially if it's already been dropped. So I'm just going ahead and using my hot air station, heating up the glass and removing it with a craft hobby knife. Be careful when you pry up the glass and not to push down with the blade, as you can easily cause damage to flex cables or the rear wireless charging coil. Once you get familiar with where everything is, it's quite difficult to make a mistake. You can also look online at pictures of iPhone housings to see their layout and know where the flex cables are. Hot air stations are much cheaper than iPhone laser removal machines, and you could probably pick one up used for about 150 or 200, much cheaper than a £2,000 laser machine. I'm using a Quick 861DW, I bought it new from Tech and it's working perfectly till this day. Be extra careful with hot air around the rear camera, it has sensitive components that are easy to break. Next up, I usually soak a cotton wool pad in isopropyl alcohol and give it a quick wipe down. This gets off any residue that I missed earlier. So let's get our clamps ready and some B7000, which is adhesive specially made for phone repair applications. So I'm just going along the outer edge first, and then I'll coat along the inside too, making sure to avoid all of the flex cables. You don't need a huge amount, but make sure there's good coverage so the glass sticks well. You can also use cold press glue, and there are a lot of other glues suitable for this application too. Don't forget to replace the microphone mesh too before you put the glass on. These can be bought quite cheap if you buy a pack of 100 online. But if it's just a one-off repair for your own device, you can reuse it if it's in good condition. Go ahead and carefully place the rear glass down. Apply your clamps, tighten them up but not too much, as this may crack the glass. I always leave the device in a spare room overnight to dry, which is plenty of time. Looking good so far. And here it is, after it's dried the next day, much better than before, and that's ready for resale. Of course, make sure you only use genuine pulled rear glass, do not buy counterfeit ones on the internet. Don't forget to place a like, subscribe for more iPhone repair videos, and I'll see you in the next one.